afternoon, my beautiful bubbles. It is Gay Pride Month, which means I want a rainbow all over my face. For today, we're doing a double cut crease. I want like a hovering crease above my eye. That's a beautiful rainbow. I'm not sure what I'm doing for the lid just yet. Maybe a glitter all over. Something kind of similar to what Maddie was doing. I really love that. I really want the most glittery lid, a hovering rainbow crease. And just to tell you, like, I thought I was losing my mind. I thought I lost my Ardell Wispies, which are the lashes I'm going to be using today. I couldn't find them anywhere. I knew I put them away. I just didn't remember completely in which container or, you know, that sort of thing. So I literally was moving around everything, and then it occurred to me last second, maybe it's stuck to the bottom or something. And the whole package with the lashes was attached to the bottom of my makeup kind of box. I use one box for my brushes and then another for all my goodies. But we're gonna get right into this because I've been so excited just to see a rainbow on my face. It is now time to celebrate unity and love and equality, and who wants to just enjoy all the fun that Gay Pride is. It's just a very colorful drag queen all out extravaganza. So we're gonna start with the rainbow. So I'm thinking I had to create a little bit of a guide for me because Roy G. Bibb, I would have to completely say it in my head every single time. So I have a guide here. So this is the rainbow that I could create with my palette. I did want to get the NYX Ultimate palette, but I only wanted to spend about $30 on makeup, thank God. And I only spent about 20. So I'm using what I have, which is the Rimmel Color Edition palette for these colors. And I have to say, it's going to be amazing. So let's just dig right into it. Alright, so I'm going to start with this gold shade. Not much left, but should be enough to last me through the parade and everything. So I'm just going to start right in the inner corner, just above the crease. I'm just going to pack that on with my finger a little bit, because I want it really intense. Next, I'm going to take the green shade in the palette and just build it up next to that gold shade. Next, you're going to layer on that blue. Just pack it on a little bit before. Go back into the green and just wiggle it in between them. Just wipe off your brush, just on your arm somewhere. Next, go into that light purple shade and pack it on beside that as well. Next, you're going to take that darkest purple down at the end. You're going to bring it out into that double cut crease. So you're going to wing it out. Next, you're going to take a clean blender brush and just go above the top. Now you're going to go into a smaller brush, and we're going to just intensify each color as you need. So I'm having a change of heart with this. Don't really have a red necessarily, but I'm going to go into that pink glitter shade and then a little bit of this gold. And now I'm just going to go right in the inner corner. I wasn't really planning on doing this, but I do want a complete rainbow now. Okay, I'm loving that. I'm just going to lay out a little bit more of that gold because it does act as kind of like an inner corner highlight. You do want it to be blinding. So I took some concealer on an angle brush just like this. This one's a little hurting. I really wish the dollar store had my brushes these days, but I'm just going to do a really simple technique. Just layer some concealer at the bottom of your lid right here and look up, down, and around. Bam! And just continue that line. So I'm just gonna sketch out my wing. Take a little bit of that purple shade down at the end. And again, I haven't decided on what I'm doing for the lid. Let's just do a rainbow again. 2 rainbows. Let's do it. So you're gonna start with your angled brush with a little bit of eyeshadow and just sketch that wing out. Now, find out where you want your crease. And then connect it. Now, you're going to fill in the bottom of that wing. And we're going to continue the rainbow again with the same technique. I'm just going to switch to this packer brush, which randomly I found years later when it got missing. Anyways. And I'm just going to pack it on. Work a little bit better than what I was doing before. And once you get to the end, if your green is too dark, we're going to lighten up with that gold shade. The last that I have of it. Oh my god. I was using this for a highlighter for a bit there in the winter. Well, I'll pack it on. Might use some setting spray. We'll just see. Alright, so I'm just going to do some eyeliner. I'm going to try my e.l.f. eyeliner pen. Don't believe it, it's not waterproof, I'm just saying, but it is really good when you first get it, but might have to set it, might have to wet it with some setting spray. I'm just gonna see. I just want to revisit this again. Alright, so here is the completed eye, sorta. I still need to put lashes on and eyeliner and everything. So I went in with my Super Slay foundation just to clean up the crease a little bit again. And then I had to redo my liner with the NYX matte liner. I find with the double cut crease, yeah, it seems really intimidating, but once you do it, you're like, it is actually really, really easy. Especially with your eyeliner pen. If you sketch your wing out first, it's so easy with eyeliner. And then you just clean up the bottom with concealer. Done. And that's why I do eyes first as well. It makes it so much easier. But anyway, I'm going to finish up this look and I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the completed look. I'll give you a rundown on what you didn't see. I put some pink down on the bottom, the same metallic pink we used on the inner corner here. I kind of had an inkling that I want to bring that pink all the way down the sides of my nose, almost like a contour. Because I really want to start doing drag looks. Like, it needs to happen, maybe even this week. Get a glue stick and just try it out. That would be so amazing. But anyway, I hope everyone stays safe. It was a little bit of a dangerous time back 10 years ago, but now it's really accepted and everything. You just got to be with people that you love. Make sure you're in a good atmosphere and just be aware of your surroundings. There's a lot of people in a lot of designated areas, so anything could happen, whether it's Pride or not. Anyway, that being said, yeah, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. But the only thing it's missing is some silver just to define the crease a little bit. With my sort of eyes, I do love a double cut crease, but it just tends to get a little muddy between the creases that you've created. You know what I mean? That being said, I'm very happy with it. I hope you are too. Hope you have a great gay pride. Go out there, enjoy some drag shows. Live a little bit, laugh a lot. So this is a day to take love and care and celebration and dance and love and sing. It's all about that. So I hope everyone is doing that during this Pride Week. It's Pride Week in Alberta, so that's what is happening here. I know it happens in different areas, you know, throughout the month, but this is Gay Pride Month. I'm kicking it off here. Do more looks on this. Can I do like go through the whole spectrum with LGBTQ S? Is the S really a thing? Let me know down below. Like, is that a thing? I heard it was added to the spectrum. Anyway, I want to do different looks for every letter LGBTQ. Like, that would be so amazing to do different themes and just, yes please, like what would a bisexual eye look like? I don't know, and I can create different looks. And it's going to be absolutely amazing. Let me know if you want to see that down below. Get this video up to 5 likes if you want to see that. And I love you all so much. This is a day of celebration and joy and pride. Be proud of yourself too. That's number one. Be proud of who you are and be honest with yourself. There's a lot of people, it's not just about coming out, it's about being honest with yourself. And that was with me. Like, I was just honest, even though there were trials and tribulations. I knew I wasn't going to fit in certain areas. I knew I needed to be true with myself, and this is what this day is all about. People coming together, being true with themselves, being honest with each other, and coming together as one. And this is amazing, because it's all colors of the rainbow. I love you all so much. Au revoir, my beautiful bubbles.